Good morning, Dr. Liz, checking in, doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine, where life becomes better living. Did you know that the World Health Organization recommends acupuncture for over 100 medical conditions? Let's talk about that. They range from the adverse reactions that people experience from radiotherapy and or chemotherapy, allergic rhinitis, including hay fever, biliary colic, depression, including depressive neurosis and depression following the stroke, dysentery, acute bacillary, dysmenorrhea, primary, epigastralgia, acute and peptic ulcer, acute and chronic gastritis, and gastrospasm. Facial pain, including craniomandibular disorders. Headache, hypertension essential, hypotension primary. Induction of labor, girls. Knee pain, leukopenia, low back pain, malposition of the fetus, correction of, morning sickness, nausea and vomiting. Great for morning sickness, ladies. Buddy up to the acupuncture physician. Neck pain, pain in dentistry, including dental pain and temporomandibular dysfunction. Periarthritis of the shoulder, postoperative pain, renal colic, rheumatoid arthritis, sciatica, sprain, stroke, tennis elbow. And diseases and symptoms or condition for which the World Health Organization also recommends acupuncture because its therapeutic effect has been shown, although further proof is needed, it has been shown to be effective to the point where WHO recommends it for abdominal pain in acute gastroenteritis or due to gastrointestinal spasm. Acne vulgaris, alcohol dependency and detoxification, Bell's palsy, bronchial asthma, cancer pain, cardiac neurosis, cholecystitis, chronic with acute exasperation, cholelithiasis, competition stress syndrome. Help you cope, girls, help you cope. Craniocerebral injury, closed. Diabetes mellitus, non-insulin dependent. Earache, epidemic hemorrhagic fever, epistaxis, simple without generalized or local disease. Eye pain due to subconjunctival injection. Female infertility, works amazing. Facial spasm, female urethral syndrome, fibromyalgia and fasciitis, gastrokinetic disturbance, gouty arthritis, hepatitis B, virus carrier status, herpes zoster, human alpha herpes virus 3, hyperlipemia, hypoovarianism, insomnia, labor pain, lactation deficiency, male sexual dysfunction non-organic, Meniere's disease, neuralgia postherpetic, neurodermatitis, obesity, opium, cocaine, and heroin dependence, osteoarthritis, pain due to endoscopic examination, pain in thromboangitis obliterans, polycystic ovarian syndrome, Stein-Leventhal syndrome, otherwise known as, post-extubation in children, postoperative convalescence, premenstrual syndrome, PMS, prostatitis, chronic, pruritus, radicular and pseudo-radicular pain syndrome, Raynaud's syndrome primary, recurrent lower UTI infections, reflex sympathetic dystrophy, schizophrenia, retention of urine, traumatic, drug-induced, Sjogren's syndrome, works for that. sore throat including tonsillitis, spine pain, acute, stiff neck, temporomandibular joint dysfunction, Tietz syndrome, tobacco dependence, Tourette syndrome, ulcerative colitis, chronic, urolithiasis, vascular dementia, whooping cough, otherwise known as pertussis, and diseases and symptoms or conditions in which only individual controlled trials report some therapeutic effects. The World Health Organization recommends acupuncture for these when treatment by conventional and other therapies is difficult. Chloasma, choroidopathy, central serous, color blindness, deafness, hypophrenia, irritable colon syndrome, neuropathic bladder due to spinal cord injury, pulmonary heart disease, chronic, and small airway obstruction. Quite a list there, folks. Buddy up with your acupuncture physician. Go make yourself an appointment. And thanks so much for checking in with Dr. Liz, Doctor of Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine, where life becomes better living. Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep these wellness tips coming your way. Make it a great one. Jusque demain.